Yo, this your boy OG Shizzy, bro. We podcasting to the next episode. Hey. Podcast every day. Yo, it's your boy OG Shizzy Brizzle. Welcome to Did You Know? On Shizzy Lit Podcast, you understands me. Did you know a single sneeze travels 100 miles per hour and shoots 100,000 germs into the air? Got down. Shit, that's why this virus was spreading all crazy like that. You mean to tell me it's 100,000 chances every time somebody sneeze? You know, little kids sneeze with no remorse, no cover up, no hands trying to block nothing. A straight cannon shot of germs straight to your motherfucking face. They want to kiss you and give you the little hug on the Q-tip. Whole time, every last germ uncute. You done feel me? So yeah, that's a big fact. They telling me 100,000 germs into the air. That shit shoot 100 miles per hour, boy. So if somebody sneeze right in your face, it's like somebody shot you with a motherfucking sneeze cannon and shit. That's crazy right there and shit though. So y'all know where y'all heard it from. Your boy OG Shizzy Brizzle. Cover y'all motherfucking sneezes up out there. And when somebody sneezes, you better motherfucking turn your whole back shoulder towards that joint. Let the 100,000 hit your back shoulder, your left back shoulder and shit. So yeah, y'all take it from me. It's your boy OG Shizzy Brizzle. Did you know that? I don't think you did. I'm out. Shizzy Lit Podcast, that gangster podcast, you to feel me. Yo, it's your boy OG Shizzy Brizzle. Welcome to Did You Know? On Shizzy Lit Podcast, you understands me. Did you know that? It's your boy OG Shizzy Brizzle and all that, you understands me. Alright, another fact for you. Your stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve metal. So that's a good fact for you goofy motherfuckers that be swallowing nails and shit. I seen this one little show like crazy addictions and shit. Motherfucker was just eating little aluminum foil, just eating metal situations and shit like bitch. So that's all you goofy motherfuckers that was on that episode and shit. That's a good fact for y'all. That's why y'all ass ain't dead yet and ain't shitting metal nuggets. You feel me? Cause y'all little ass cheeks mean as shit. You can shit the little metal. So these motherfucking dumb motherfuckers, I say eating nails and all that type shit. Cause you eat a motherfucking some metal and shit out a gold nugget. Do your shit break it down enough so your metal can look like a piece of shit coming out you? I don't know. That's just how my brain think. Did you know that? On Shizzy Lit Podcast, boy, you know how we do. We always got something going on right there. I'ma holler at y'all later on though. I'm out. Yiddy. Shizzy Lit Podcast, that gangster podcast, you to feel me.